When I need support, I can't seem to easily find it.
I'm anxious and struggling, but there's a long waiting list for support.
Just because I act happy all the time doesn't mean I haven't got worries.
I'm a young carer, but I don't know who to talk to about how tired I am.
Cardiff Council and partners want all young people in Cardiff to feel safe and be safe. So we're working with teenagers across the city to put this plan into action. It has 6 goals. This is goal 2. Young people have improved health and well-being. We want services to work together so Cardiff is a city where young people can say,
There is support in school and online.
I have help when I need it.
I've learned life skills about staying healthy and mentally resilient.
Professionals know how to support me better.